Analyzing lead generation metrics. ChatGPT can be used to analyze lead generation metrics by generating insights and suggestions based on data provided. With its natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can understand the context of the data and provide relevant analysis, including identifying trends, highlighting areas for improvement, and suggesting potential solutions. ChatGPT can also assist with creating reports and visualizations to communicate the findings effectively. Prompts for analyzing lead generation metrics. What is the specific metric benchmark for specific industry/niche, and how does my lead generation data from specific time period compare to this benchmark? Can you suggest ways to improve performance for specific lead generation channels? Based on my lead generation data for specific time period, what are the top lead sources that contribute to specific metric, and how can I allocate my budget accordingly to maximize specific goal? Can you provide an in-depth analysis of my lead generation data from specific time period and identify key factors that affect specific metric, including specific lead generation channels and specific target audience demographics? Using my lead generation data from specific time period, how can I create a predictive model to forecast specific metric for the upcoming/following specific time period, and what is the expected accuracy of this model? What is the ideal customer journey for specific target audience in specific industry/niche, and how can I use lead generation metrics to optimize this journey for specific goal? Can you provide suggestions for specific lead generation channels and specific content types? Example: what is the conversion rate benchmark for SaaS companies in the HR industry, and how does my Q3 2022 lead generation data compare to this benchmark? Can you suggest ways to improve performance for our website and referral channels? The conversion rate benchmark for SaaS companies in the HR industry can vary widely depending on several factors such as the size of the company, the nature of the product/service being offered, the target market, and the marketing and sales strategies being employed. However, according to some industry studies, the average conversion rate for SaaS companies ranges from 2 to 4%. To determine how your Q3 2022 lead generation data compares to this benchmark, we would need to know more information about your company, product/service, and target market. Once we have this information, we can calculate your conversion rate and compare it to the benchmark. To improve your website and referral channels' performance, you can consider the following strategies. 1. Optimize your website for conversion. Ensure that your website is optimized for user experience and has clear calls to action (CTAs) that encourage visitors to sign up or request a demo. Use A/B testing to test different landing pages and CTAs to see which ones generate the most conversions. 2. Improve your referral program. Consider offering incentives to existing customers who refer new customers to your product/service. You can also consider partnering with influencers or other companies in the HR industry to promote your product/service. 3. Use social media. Social media can be a great way to generate leads and build brand awareness. Consider using social media platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter to share thought leadership content and engage with potential customers. 4. Invest in paid advertising. Paid advertising can be an effective way to generate leads quickly. Consider using platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to target potential customers based on their search history or demographic information. 5. Improve your product/service. Ultimately, the best way to generate more leads and conversions is to offer a high-quality product/service that meets the needs of your target market. Consider gathering feedback from existing customers to identify areas for improvement and iterate on your product/service accordingly. I hope these suggestions are helpful, and please let me know if you have any further questions or if there's anything else I can assist you with. Tips: provide specific details about your business, industry, and target audience to help ChatGPT understand the context of your lead generation metrics and provide more relevant insights. Include historical data and trends to help ChatGPT identify patterns and make more accurate predictions for future performance. Ask follow-up questions to clarify and refine ChatGPT's analysis and suggestions, as this can help improve the accuracy and relevance of its responses. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like and subscribe now so you don't miss future videos. If you want to continue honing your skills in generating powerful prompts, check out the other videos on our channel.